If you're still spending hours editing videos, you're not just wasting time, you're losing money and missing out on growth opportunities for your business. In the next 5 minutes, I'll show you how to edit 10x faster so you can focus on scaling your business instead of getting stuck in hours of endless edits. Imagine trying to dig a tunnel with a spoon. Sure, you'll make progress, but it's going to take forever. Traditional video editing without AI is just that. It's manual, tedious, and painfully slow. That's where AI tools come in, transforming that spoon into a fully powered drill. Let's start with Glean AI. If you've ever spent hours scrubbing through your footage just to remove awkward pauses, filler words, or mistakes, Glean is your new best friend. It automatically detects and cuts out dead space and mistakes in your footage, shaving hours off your editing time. All you have to do is upload the raw footage and Glean will work its magic. What used to take hours now takes minutes. It's not perfect, but it gets you around 80% of the way there, and the remaining 20% you can easily edit using its text-based editor. Now, imagine working with audio that sounds muffled, full of background noise, and unprofessional. It's like trying to sell a luxury car that's covered in mud. It's still valuable, but no one wants it like that. Adobe Podcast Studio is the detailer for your audio. In just a few clicks, it removes the background noise, enhances clarity, and makes your audio sound like it was recorded in an actual studio. Here's how my voice sounds using the mic that is directly connected to my camera that is around 6 feet away from me right now.
And here's how it sounds after I run it through Adobe Podcast. The difference is insane.
You don't have to learn about EQs, noise gates, none of that anymore. Think about the time you spend creating visual assets for animations and infographics within your videos. It's like sketching each element by hand. It's tedious and time consuming. That's where ChatGPT Image Gen comes in. This tool is perfect for generating infographics, animated assets, and even custom visuals that bring your edits to life. All you need to do is describe what you want, and it will create high quality graphics instantly. This means less time in design software and more time refining your story. Now, I know there are other tools out there like Descript, Recast Studio, Runway ML, and Wisecut, but these three are my top picks for the fastest, most effective results. The others are great, sure, but if you want to focus on what truly works, then stick with Glean, Adobe Podcast Studio, and ChatGPT Image Gen. Have you ever tried cooking in a kitchen where nothing is in its place? The pots are hidden in random cupboards, the knives are scattered, and you spend more time searching for what you want than actually cooking. That's what editing without proper planning and organization feels like. To really speed things up, you need a clean, efficient workspace, and you achieve that first by creating a repeatable folder structure. Have all your templates ready for raw footage, audio files, graphics, and project files. When you begin a new project, just duplicate the folder template and everything is ready to go right in where it's supposed to be. This alone can save you hours of digging through random files to look for what you want. I'll leave the folder structure I use in the description if you want to use the exact same thing for yourself. Next, you need to plan out your edits before you ever even open your editing software. When it comes to video editing, you need to think of yourself as both the engineer and the builder. As the engineer, you lay out the entire blueprint, everything from where the B-roll should go to the animation points, sound effects, just like mapping out the structure of a skyscraper before a single beam is placed. This means adding all the visual cues straight into your script before you even open your editing software. Then, when it's time to edit, you switch roles. You're now the builder. The blueprint is already mapped out and all you have to do is follow it. Think of technical efficiency in editing like driving a Ferrari. You have all this power under the hood, but if you're stuck in a rush hour traffic, it doesn't matter how powerful your engine is, you're still crawling. Technical efficiency is like finding the open highway where you can finally unleash that power and fly through your edits. Proxies are like the fast lane. If you're working with high resolution footage, proxies let you glide through the edit without the lag of 4K or 8K files slowing you down. When it's time to export, you simply swap back to the high resolution version without losing quality. But it's not just proxies. Keyboard shortcuts are like the paddle shifters on a Ferrari, instant, responsive, and designed to cut out unnecessary movements. Instead of clicking through menus, you can trim, cut, navigate the timeline at high speed using keyboard shortcuts and shave hours off your workflow. Honestly, this is a game changer. You can start by learning the keyboard shortcuts that come with your editing software, and then over time, change them so that they are optimized where your fingers don't have to move to reach the shortcuts that you use the most. Together, these efficiency hacks are the open highway for your editing process, letting you tap into the full power of your tools and cut down on wasted time. It's not just faster, it's the most powerful way to edit. Editing videos fast is really good, but to make videos as fast as possible, you also need to learn how to script videos as fast as possible. Watch this video next where I teach you how to do exactly that.